Dear friends, welcome to a personalized episode of Enlighten Me. Today we will explore the mixed impact of AI on productivity, strategies for improving user retention, and Meta's AI-assisted root cause analysis system. Stay tuned for insightful discussions on these key topics. Why hasn't AI lived up to its hype yet? When GPT-4 was released, many thought it would revolutionize our world, boosting productivity across the board. But the reality has been more mixed. While AI has seen significant growth in some areas, like ChatGPT's 200 million weekly active users and Meta AI's 40 million daily users, other areas haven't seen the expected impact. Companies like NVIDIA and ServiceNow have benefited, but even Microsoft, with its massive investment in OpenAI, struggles to get more than 1% of its customers to adopt its AI-powered software. One explanation for this mixed success is that AI's current capabilities are limited to simple, button-activated tasks. For example, the productivity app Superhuman can draft an email for you with just a hotkey press. This is useful, but it reduces AI's potential to just improving existing tasks rather than revolutionizing them. AI tools like Superhuman can make sending emails or editing text faster and easier, but they don't fundamentally change the nature of the work. They just make it more efficient. This means that while AI can handle discrete, well-defined tasks, it struggles with more complex workflows that require a deeper understanding or more nuanced decision-making. Even in programming, where AI has shown promise, the impact is limited. Early AI tools for coding allowed programmers to complete lines of code faster, but they didn't revolutionize the software development process. Companies like Replit are pushing the boundaries by integrating multiple tasks into a single AI-driven workflow, but these advancements are still incremental rather than transformative. The buttonification of AI highlights a broader issue. We're trying to fit AI into our existing ways of working rather than rethinking those workflows entirely. This limits AI's potential impact. To truly revolutionize productivity, AI needs to do more than just handle simple tasks. It needs to automate or eliminate entire workflows, making some of our current tasks obsolete. For AI startups to compete with tech giants, they need to dream bigger. They should aim to automate the labor of email entirely, or find ways to make current productivity tools redundant. Until then, AI will remain a powerful tool with limited application, capable of improving, but not transforming the work we do. Large language models are not replacements for creativity or skill. They amplify our abilities and help us achieve more. They have the potential to change the way we work, but only if we let them break free from the constraints of our current workflows. Now, let's talk about how improving retention is crucial for achieving product-market fit and the strategies that can help make it happen. How can product managers and leaders improve retention? Retention is crucial because it reflects how well your product fits the market. It's not just the CEO and CPO's responsibility. Everyone in the company should contribute. After over 15 years in product management and working with companies like Fortnite, ThreadUp, and Affirm, I've learned some key strategies to boost retention. First, let's talk about measuring retention correctly. It's more complex than it seems. The process involves three main steps: isolating cohorts, defining what counts as an active user, and deciding on the time period to measure. Cohorts could be based on when users joined, their region, or the device they use. For example, if you're a global company, you might find significant differences in retention by region. Next, decide what counts as an active user. Opening an app or visiting a site isn't enough because it could be accidental. Instead, look for actions that indicate true engagement. For instance, Fortnite measures retention by whether users actually load into a game, not just open the app. At Affirm, they consider a user active if they view a merchant or loan. This approach helps you understand who's genuinely interacting with your product. Now, determine the time period to measure. Different products have different cycles. Social media apps might focus on daily active users, while B2B SaaS products might look at weekly or monthly active users. For seasonal products, like tax software, annual retention might be more relevant. Short-term retention can provide quick feedback on changes, while long-term retention offers insights into overall product stickiness. Visualizing retention data can make it more understandable. Cohort retention curves and layer cake graphs can show how different user groups perform over time. You want your retention curve to flatten out, indicating stability. The best companies see their retention rates not just flatten, but sometimes even rise, as users become more engaged over time. Let's look at some successful case studies. At Fortnite, daily engagement was boosted through challenges and events, making dying more fun with entertaining animations and improving mobile usability. Spotify's Discover Weekly playlist and social features significantly improved retention by personalizing the user experience and creating social connections. ThreadUp focused on lowering the barrier to entry, lifecycle marketing, and personalizing the user experience, leading to a 40% increase in customer lifetime value. Duolingo used gamification and habit formation to keep users engaged in language learning. Features like streaks and competitive leagues motivated users to return daily. Affirm increased transactions per user by expanding their merchant network and developing a mobile app, leading to a 50% increase in usage. Strava built a community around fitness, using segments and personalized route suggestions to keep users engaged. To organize your teams for retention, consider a hybrid approach with both metric-based and feature-based teams. Set clear objectives and key results, OKRs, for retention at both company and team levels. A retention council can help align strategies across different functions in the company. Finally, there's an encyclopedia of retention tactics to explore. From personalized onboarding and interactive tutorials to smart notifications and proactive customer success outreach, these tactics can help improve user engagement at various stages of their journey with your product. In summary, improving retention requires a deep understanding of your users, careful measurement, and a well-organized team effort. By focusing on these aspects, you can build a sustainable, growing business. Now, let's explore how Meta's AI-assisted root cause analysis system is enhancing system reliability by quickly pinpointing issues. How can AI assist in streamlining system reliability investigations? At Meta, ensuring system reliability is paramount, and a key part of this is identifying the root cause of issues quickly. Recently, Meta has developed an AI-assisted root cause analysis system that combines heuristic-based retrieval with a large language model-based ranking. This new system has shown promising results. In backtesting, it achieved 42% accuracy in identifying the root causes of issues at their creation time, specifically related to our web monorepo. This means that nearly half the time, the system can pinpoint the problem right from the start. Investigations are unique and necessary for mitigating issues properly. However, when dealing with systems that depend on monolithic repositories, scalability challenges arise due to the sheer number of changes and teams involved. Responders also need to build context about the investigation, like identifying what's broken, which systems are involved, and who might be impacted, making the process complex and time-consuming. AI offers a way to streamline this process, reducing the time needed and helping responders make better decisions. Meta's approach focuses on building a system capable of identifying potential code changes that could be the root cause of an issue. This system uses a heuristic-based retriever to cut down the search space from thousands of changes to a few hundred without notably reducing accuracy. For instance, the retriever might consider code and directory ownership or explore the runtime code graph of impacted systems. Once the search space is reduced, a large language model-based ranker, specifically a Llama model, further narrows it down to the top 5 potential changes. The ranker uses structured prompts to identify the most likely causes, and this process is repeated until only the top 5 candidates remain. Training this system involved fine-tuning a Llama 2 model using historical investigations for which the root cause was known. This included running continued pre-training with internal wikis, Q&As, and code to expose the model to meta-specific artifacts. A supervised fine-tuning phase mixed the original data with more internal context and a dedicated root cause analysis dataset, teaching the model to follow specific instructions. Despite the opportunities AI presents, there are risks, such as potentially suggesting incorrect root causes and misleading engineers. To mitigate this, Meta prioritizes closed feedback loops and explainability of results, ensuring that responders can independently reproduce the system's findings. Confidence measurement methodologies also detect low-confidence answers to avoid recommending them. By integrating AI into internal tools, Meta has successfully used it for onboarding engineers to investigations and isolating root causes. Looking ahead, the aim is to expand these capabilities to autonomously execute full workflows and validate results, and even detect potential incidents before code is pushed, proactively mitigating risks. In summary, AI-assisted systems can significantly reduce the time and effort needed for root cause analysis, making system reliability investigations more efficient and effective. We've explored how AI is enhancing but not revolutionizing workflows, the importance of retention strategies for product-market fit, and Meta's innovative AI for root cause analysis in system reliability. Stay tuned for more updates. Dear friends,